1, 2, 2, 5, 6. Who's Velocistar 237?
Oh, that's just a dinosaur toy down the street. That's nothing. Let me just take care of that. Just a dinosaur.
All right. More. Okay, enter. Please don't be far. Please, please. Right around the corner? It's right around the corner! I'm going to college. Look at me. I'm the toy on campus. Hello. Hey, I'll see you at the Zaka.
Okay, Potsy.
Oh, hey, listen. If any of you guys ever get to Sunnyside Daycare, you tell them Woody made it home.
You came from Sunnyside?
But how'd you escape?
Well, it wasn't easy. What do you mean, escape?
Sunnyside is a place of ruin and despair, ruled by an evil bear who smells of strawberries.
What? Lotso?
The guy may seem plush and huggable on the outside, but inside, he's a monster.
But how do you know that?
Chuckles. He'll tell you.
Yeah, I knew Lotso. He was a good toy, a friend. Me and him, we had the same kid, Daisy. I was there when Lotso got unwrapped. Daisy loved us all, but Lotso was special. They did everything together. You never seen a kid and a toy more in love. One day, we took a drive, hit a rest stop, had a little playtime. After lunch, Daisy fell asleep. She never came back. Lotso wouldn't give up. It took forever, but we finally made it back to Daisy's. But by then, it was too late. Something changed that day inside Lotso. Something snapped.
She replaced us. Come on.
No, she only replaced you.
She replaced all of us, didn't she? She don't love you no more. Now come on!
We were lost, cast off, unloved, unwanted. Then we found Sunnyside. But Lotso wasn't my friend anymore. He wasn't anyone's friend. He took over Sunnyside and rigged the whole system.
So, how'd you get out?
I got broke. Bonnie found me, took me home. Other toys, they weren't so lucky. It ain't right what Lotso done. New toys, they don't stand a chance.
But my friends are in there.
You can't go back.
Returning now would be suicide.
But what about your Andy?
Isn't he leaving for college?